Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to change the text size on your Lenovo Horizon 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our start like that, or you can also press on this button. Now scroll down and find settings, go to system, scroll down again and press on the scale and layout. Change the size of the text, apps and other items. Press on it and you'll be able to change to whatever percentage to increase to. So for example, I'm gonna choose 150, and as you can see there's a lot bigger text. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.